Hi, I'm going to show you really quickly how you can create in Canva to create a vinyl that you would put on, let's say, a cup or your iPad case or your laptop case. So I'm in Canva, I'm logged in, and I'm going to click on the Create button. And I am choosing custom size because I want it to be the size that my material is. My material is 12 by 12. So I'll go ahead, inches. So I'll go ahead and click on Create New Design. And now I'm ready to create whatever it is that I want to. Let's say that actually, I'm just going to pull in something that I've already created. Let's go to let's get this out of the way, my uploads. This is something that I created in Canva. And I want to create this to put on our computer stands in the library. So once I've made my creation, I do want to make sure that I don't have any backgrounds that are on here. One way to test it is I've selected this whole square and I'm just going to add a color for the background. And you can see how there is nothing white underneath my design. That's really important because Cricut it needs for there not to be a background so that it knows what the design is that it's cutting. So I'm going to go ahead and take that off. Let's just undo. And then I'm coming up to share and I will download. When I'm downloading, I would use PNG. That's going to keep everything together in your design. And then I'll click on transparent background. This is a really important step. If you miss it, it's going to mess things up. Now I'll click on download. And to keep things easy, I'm just going to say that. All right, now I'm going to hop on over to the Cricut application. I've already logged into this one as well. I'll click on blank canvas. And now I'll upload that design that I just created. So upload and then upload image. Going to browse. Here's what I just created. And now I'll say continue. You'll notice that I have the checkerboard is in the background and it's even underneath my design. That's really important. If it's not like that, you need to go back to Canva and redo your download, making sure that you check mark that box that says to exclude the background. Click on apply and continue. And then we keep things simple. We're going to say single layer. I'll go ahead and say continue. And now let's see, we'll say upload. It uploads my design. And it appears on my, template for the cut. So you'll see I've got the ruler and this has not, since my material is 12 inches, this has not gone beyond that. You can adjust the size of this at this time. And I'm good with staying on the material that I have. It's 12 by 12. So I'm going to click on make. Up to you whether you save or not. And now you'll see that design right here. I'll go ahead and make sure that I choose the things on my screen, that I'm using a mat for vinyl, my material size. If this is vinyl, either permanent or non-permanent vinyl, I am not going to mirror it, and I'll say continue. Choosing my I need to choose my material that I'm using, browse all materials. This is where I would find where the vinyl is, which if I remember correctly, it's way down. Let's just do a search for vinyl. All right, I'll choose whatever it is that I have and then say done. Materials are already loaded. You are now ready to load the mat and press. And so this little button right here on the Cricut helps that happen. And then you'll be ready to hit go on the Cricut when that button is flashing also. That's it. That's how you create vinyl.